You're now tuned in to RadioDR.co.za.
You ready? I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay,
Black House Talk. Black House Talk.
That's
Black-
what's up.
You just said it wrong, bro. You're supposed
Black
to-
House Talk.
I'm supposed to say it first, then you're supposed to say it.
We don't have the looper. This is what's missing.
That's your fault, bro. I got the setup ready for the looper, dog. I got the setup ready for the looper always. Anyway, welcome to another episode of Black House Talk. My name is Silo Dimba. I'm not alone. Never alone. I am with the legendary Proph. What's up, Proph?
What's good, Mr. Dimba?
Great. Spent a whole day with you. As always.
Yeah.
Horrible.
What, 5 days a week on average?
At least we didn't fight today. Shout out.
When do we fight though?
Never. That's besides the point. Today, spent some cheetah, who's so weird. He's from the hood.
Durban legend.
A Durban legend. What? He was king of KZN from the South African Hip Hop Awards.
Okay,
he?
I shall rephrase. A Durban god.
Yeah, that sounds better. Nkulunkulu, Durban Nkulunkulu ngiyaxolisa. I'm sorry to say that, but I know he's gonna hate me saying that. Ayanda Makukule, all the way from Clermont. What it do?
Grand vet njani nabafethu ni grand nin John lento ninonisho la yini leyo
Introduction. Yeah.
Ungibiza ngomuntu okholwa khona abantu abakholelwa kumina.
Khona utakholela kuwena bese.
That's nice to hear first.
But so some people wouldn't have careers if it wasn't for you.
Yeah,
So I
sounds
hear.
very bad verse.
I'm
I'm sure you're among us somehow, Leon.
I know, I'm sure,
Yeah, I'm
but we'll
sure.
find out
Yeah,
about
let's
all
find
the
out,
lies
yeah.
that you have to tell us today. Because
Yeah,
people are
but-
always,
Yeah.
telling us lies here.
Yeah.
At Black House Talk.
Ngempela.
Yeah.
Yo.
This is one of the first people I talked to when I got the idea. I was like, yo, I'm thinking of doing this, but it's a blind, it's shy.
Sure. Yeah, good.
So what? He was there when the seed was planted.
Yeah.
Like,
The whole day he was here chilling.
When I chilling,
when I bought the first mics, he was here.
Sure.
It's like,
Oh, so you've been here for this journey.
Nje mfethu ya ngathini usilu ngendlela acabanga ngayo nje mfethu uyahlanya but like bengichazeke nje yabo like mechaza izinto yabo kumnandi
Yeah.
ukubona like umuntu ongakhulanga nayo but when he fits into your life akutshela izinto that you actually or ezichazayo especially with what you guys are doing yabo uyashoot yabo so bengitshela ukuthi uzoshootha engeli kanje ha emasoshootha lapho ngicela ungiphathe ngifuna ukubona nje yabo so when he started lempahla leyo like I was around yabo kunesa skwenze so lokho ngitshela yabo ngitshela John ngikutshela ukuthi you guys told me ukuthi what you want to do here so just ngifika kunje like
We did it.
yeah but
Showcase. Thank you for
I'm
coming.
all about
bro.
that nje mina bro
Thank you for coming, my brother.
bonga mina bit for the invite bro cool
So, I mean, you cooler than me. You cooler than us, bro.
Just him jumping on the mic, bro.
Dog. So tell people who don't know who Ayanda Makukule is.
Okay.
What you about?
Okay. Oh, kama nami ngu-Ayanda Seferino Makukule. Yabo. Ngihlezi ngitshela abantu ukuthi I'm a Zulu Mbican. Yabo Leon.
Zulu what?
Zulu Mbican.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, half Mozambican, half Zulu.
Shout out.
Yabo. I always say that. Yeah, first. First. Yobuza Makukule sabasenimbani. Yabo eMozambique like a family so lapho on my father's side. Yabo.
Yeah.
So suka lapho then silana ke ngwase Clermont mfethu ngizalele King Edward yabo lesibhedle lesilay Dubani yabo ngikhulele Clermont Scomplas
Down the road.
Yeah, it's down the road. Isibhedle hayi Clermont ayikho down the road la yabo. So ngwase Clermont mfethu ngikhulele Clermont phela.
No, okay. Cool. You're making it sound like that's the end of the story.
Oh. Yeah.
So,
Okay, wait. I think, when did you first, because I always say this to you, like, like off the chat, so it's, hey, except when you've been famous for most of your life. When did you first, like, get, like, to be in the spotlight? When was the first time, and how did that lead you to today?
Okay. I think mhlawumbe ngalenkathi ngishiso utina sesifubeni yabo like khona indawo eClermont to isemvuzane yabo ila khona sesihlala khona ekhaya yabo 6th Avenue so lapho ke mfethu yabo so njenga yonke ingane ngangigangile yabo so ngaganga ngotinas mix with nama chemicals yabo ngishisa esifubeni
Itinazi.
like utinas was mixed with paint, maybe
It's spirit,
thinnest, yeah,
no
bro.
other
That
thinners.
flammable thinner. So
I'm just making sure.
yeah, I
We're talking
know.
about the same thing here.
Yeah, we're talking about the same thing.
Yes.
So yeah, vetwa end up usesifubeni sami hlezi ngibhema omunye ubhuti ngayo kanti cha kuthiwa ngayishisa yabo. So from there Silo ke yeah, attention yabantu ayathi ayanda yahlala.
You literally
No,
were
no,
on
first
fire.
time-
No, I'm honest.
They almost died.
This good manje ubuzengele. Yeah, like that was the first time because Tongang instead of uthi ngibale ngekhaya, I was running around yabo like whatever. Yabo nje la ungangibona njanje mfethu la.
Okay.
Yeah, yabo nje le ndawo le akuyona i-tattoo yabo. Yeah. So that was the first time mfethu jobubuzile ukuthi abantu bangibone yabo. And then emva kwalokho ngayishisa nge-tea on top of that same place. Yabo so yeah, ngangiseking edward kanjalo so yeah.
In order for you to be hot in the industry, you had to get birds.
Yeah, like from lapho ke Silo, from lapho ngaba ingane just like everybody else, ukanga in people's eyes, and then mase sibuyela kulento ngo91 we moved to a section Clermont ekuthiwa extension yabo sesibiza ama suburb yabo wase Clermont yabo because usumi ngipholo waqala ngasekhaya ukuba khona yabo.
Okay.
So lapho ke kanjalo I met ama characters amaningi so kwaphuma le movie kuthiwa New Jack City starring Wesley Snipes.
I remember it.
Thank you. 91.
Was it Chris Rock?
Yeah,
No.
Pookie Con, yeah. Iphara
I just
lokuqala.
remember Wesley Snipes.
Yeah,
Chris Rock in that
Chris
movie.
Rock. There's a lot of people there, man.
I'd have to watch it
Watch
again.
it again,
Please,
yeah.
but I just
Please watch it, bro.
I literally have to watch it
Please
again.
watch it again because
But I
we're
just-
born in
That's
industry.
when Wesley Snipes was like the Rock of that time.
Yeah, bo.
You know, he was like,
Yeah, bro.
like-
I didn't even know who to. Yebo ngendlela ngayibuka ngayo. Angabuki yena. Angibuka lo omunye umjit. Khona umjit ekuthiwa something pain uJimani khona. So Leo movie Leo when it came out age restriction yakhona kwaku 16. Violence, sex,
everything.
yeah, yonke into nje. So I wasn't allowed ukuyibuka and then ubhuti wami SPM uSfiso wangizamela kwangigoqela itime ukuthi ngiyibuke like the first 20 or 15 minutes.
Sure.
So from lapho ngayibuka. So moyibuka now uzoyibona leyo part. There's a part where lo mjito uJimani evele semgaqweni edlala ibasketball kanjalo yabo. Gqoke inswempu. Yangithatha lapha hip hop. Ngabuka leyo scene and
So yours was from a movie.
yabo nje ngabuka leyo scene. That was the last scene I saw from that movie. So ngatshontshwa leyo part ukuthi say this guy just bounces this ball and looking all fresh and clean and he made his shots.
Like in your head, like, I am him. I want to be that person.
Fit.
Oh God!
So
really?
yeah,
No,
What's
but we
the
all have
movie?
that moment.
My
though.
I know. I just want to laugh at him.
Please, bro. Says mbatshela that's how. Yeah,
It's
but
so simple, eh? Like,
Yeah, I'm gonna-
so innocent.
yeah, ngangena kuleyo mpahla. I saw that clip and ngafuna ukudlala ibasketball. So you imagine every time ngibona ibhola elinokubhampa nje ngiyalithatha ngizama ukumemikha le mpahla. Yabo leyo ngiyalithatha noma iliphi because you know back then basketball wasn't that but whatever amabhola lawo so ngingazi nokuthi i-hip hop esemva kwayo wena Silo yabo ngangazi ukuthi mina nje mfethu udlala sports kufanele ugqoke kanjena and then emva kwalokho ke kudelela abantu yabo. Yeah, that's all I knew. Then ke ukukhula ke so wena Silo by the time ngisase high ngiyofika awusho primary. Yeah, bro, I'm like fame. Hey, bro, I'm like almost everybody knew me from my street fights to
You were a
Ayanda
street
Makukule. Yeah, fethu. Used to fight fethu macheta. Yo. Primary. Primary.
primary,
Yeah, mfethu. Primary bro me. Ma fight emaningi. Yabo nje mbola amaqupha namanye ama linings yabo lo. So nje fethu yabo so yeah, from primary so we had fight namachita fethu. Bayazolova yabo. So yeah, ifame nje fethu was lapho nje. Plus ngangidlala basketball ngede primary ngidlala obhuqwini.
Sure.
So ngeke unganginotice uthi
Yeah.
ngiyahlanya yabo
So
uyahlanya.
nobody else would play with you.
Yabo.
Wawudlala wedwa nje mfethu.
We used to ngangisho ukudlala ngede then influence yabo yaqala kusaba
An
abaningi.
influencer before the internet on air.
My guy uthi Bhekhlezi ethi uyawazi ama plug then he main switch mina yabo leyo nto but yeah uthi Bhek nje it's all been saying that but anyway yeah fethu so from a primary fethu umuntu enza zonke lezi zinto like normal kid does yabo umuntu exoshwa kuma choir yabo uthi nonke nifunda ngazi to stand at 5 man angazi grade band so beyoyigcwalisela bafuna uyigcwalisela but anyhow so yeah mfethu umuntu thothi isikole sonke sekhwayeni mina ngedwa ngixoshiwe cause I didn't want to project my vocals ngalendlela or soprano I don't care about
we rebel bro
ngifuna nje ukuthi kusese 18 yabo so yeah uxoshwa lapho so yeah mfethu like ifame nje at that time ukuthi I didn't know it was fame I'm ngisho mina say Ayanda yabo uzothisha no on a real thing khona uthisha thu misimthalane kanjani njalo mengibona ngithunywa umunye uthisha wayicasuka because like she knew my family yabo lona yeah wayesho ukuthi uhlale uyaphapha yabo lo lingane iphaphayo wena yabo lona so yeah I think
how did that make you feel when she said that
bro angazi indawo mfethu mina angigoqekile mfethu like angazi ngaxa nothisho yedwa primary futhi yabo but nje izinto ezayishiwo zibuye late kumina
sure
yabo kufana nje ngokuthi uline ungidlule ekhanda then wabuya yabo because leyo nto eyisho nje ubona ngayikhohlwa yabuya somehow ngimbona sengimdala ngakha ungijwayela lo yabo ujwayela yabo but at that time yeah fit yeah so that's a part of fame fit nje fit yeah bro
okay so what sige manje
we fame
usase primary noma usase high school manje
even yabona ke high school ngangifunda uba grade 11 angayifuni fame man I wanted out of high school like serious I'm full god
so being popular has always been a theme in your life right
yeah kodwa manje moyibe kanje sangathi umuntu beqonde kona yabo
yeah
but
not necessarily but here's the thing
yeah no iqondile I hear but yabo yeah ngiyakuzwa yeah mfethu angifuni ukugoqa mfethu like yeah yabo ngikhumbula kahle mfethu standard 9 grade 11 esithenga ngibengifuna esithengile secondary Clermont yabo
sure
yabo lento ukuthi nibiza kubizwa abazali nabafundi
yeah parent teacher what
okay so thina leyo nto sasiqala esithengile kuthiwa siza nabazali sathi sey'inkingeni mowabiza umzali yabo lo khumla kahle mfethu sihamba ne oledi la ngihambe ngilitshengisa cause I think election esithengile was the first school ukufundisa technical drawing yabo so we started it then saloko siqhubeka na eclassini yabo siqhubeka khumbula like that day ngihamba ne oledi mfethu yabo ngithi ngiyolitshengisa yona le TD room have lo enye ithekeni ihamba noma why izotshela ma uthi ma nalike inika lesikole manje inika lasesithengile lona ke leli ma
you the original nigga
yabo so from lapho nje ngisho ukuthi efethe yeah khona nomunye uthisha kuthiwa uhlanga mfethu wayemaphezulu mfethu abuka abafundi la ngesikhathi wrong sokuthi okay fangabe we all in class yabo amephezulu mfethu abuke kanje kubaleke wonke umuntu yabo uhambe ngene emaklasini Makukule ubumnobala eminyango uqothile umuntu ngibuye kanjani uzoba khipha lo muntu adubu nabo la yabo so kwakwenzeka into engayincanywa mfethu thothi mhlawumbe ngikepi ubumnoba nginombole yakalula yabo leyo nto yeah from ngikhumula kahle mfethu mfundo 9 angasafuni bro because I even stopped playing basketball ngaso sikhathi because mina ngidlala basketball I was a rapper in ngibone late Lord. I was playing basketball in high school first.
Yeah. So when did you start velo with the rap? In terms of hip hop.
In terms of hip hop, I've been hip hop first. Basketball is part of it. But when in terms of rapper first,
because based on a little bit of research which I've done. Like you're heavy in terms of being involved in the building of events in Durban.
Sure.
And that's massive like sure it's not well documented because it's before the internet.
Yeah.
Oxalayo, you contributed heavily towards the culture
at
that point in time. Like what hosting events here at Pavilion.
Sure.
When it's just supposed to be all white people and you were doing it.
Sure. Loko waqala yabo mfethu usisi wami wangisa phethe high school yabo phethe sekumiss wathi ngiyo rapper mfethu so from there Clermont kanjalo so from there ngabona mfethu abantu be reacta ngenye indlela cause nje buye nama facts quite was the issue when we were growing up akekho umuntu wayefuna ukuzwa ngehip hop so after majita le dance ilenza zonke lezo zinto and then we came in yabo and then we rapped over it beats and then I saw the little crowd I was like wow so leon I think something yangena ekhanda yabo ukuthi ekuse lento yenzeke yabo lento yenzeke
Shit, what was that? That was fun. Let's go again.
yabo so when at some point ifethu khona umjite emiza ngeman talk to Sicelo Mpungozi uPapichi uyena ke mfethu umuntu oyenza lento ayiqiniso mfethu wavena mfethu ngo1999 or 2000 mfethu wasisa mfethu ePinetown Girls mfethu yazi siyo perform yazi rap mfethu sibhalile mfethu Pinetown Girls bro kweleni mfethu yeah cabanga mfethu kweleni bro amathekeni ngapha nangapha except yo
I think Lisa
was
went to that
this time, my G.
I think Lisa went to that school.
Yeah, boy, yeah. But anyway, so if it's performing la paya, exe, yeah, I'm taking a scream on face. I mean, exe, lempasha ntiyaphileka, yabo lonto phela.
You got your first taste.
I was like, exe, lempasha intswembu. So from lapho phela, yeah, from 2000, then 2001 again, Sabizo. Kwakumisi ke khona ho yabona nje unkanyisa uyazi la ekhona ukuthi angigcwele ngako wayidelete leyo mpahla wazothepha amathekene ayiveza izinqa etilt wathepha phezulu kwecassette le ayithephe kuyona leyo performance mfethu ngijara ngihlezi ngimbiza ngomnqatho osimple osingile like umnqatho awuhamba wodwa uhlezi uhamba nephepha noma indwangu kanjani but ublessed usimple yabo hlezi ngimbiza until this day leyo nto yango 2009 or something 2001 nje so manje yeah so from lapho ke bro that's why I saw ukuthi ekuse if lento labantu bekwazi kuyi you know like bekwazi ukuthi bayincane lento hip hop yabo lonto then ke I started switching up lapho my guy
I went back
to high school and high school because ngafunda matric at that time so we had not just ciphers yabo ngangijolo ukutshela amajito ukuthi go and learn ama verse engoma encanywa ye rap and then kusasa soqhudelana yabo leyo ukuthi ubawazi amaningi yabo leyo yeah I never took part kuyona afunje ngigoqa I used to stand ngijabulela ukuthi yabo iyanda lento iyanda yabo like iyanda igama lami yabo yeah iyanda yabo no yeah so from lapho bro man angaze ngibuye like back ngithi ngengikwazi ukuyenza I just had that confidence ukuthi ekuse vele Clermont they didn't have leyo nto ukuthi amaniga lawo yabo they had it ngabo 95 but yabo from 98 they were like verse phila namaniga you know like
so you guys were accepted earlier than us
bro I'm early ngalendlela
it was 2006 no 2006 in Joburg abumniga abumyoyo khuluma ngamazinyo guys
yo so but yeah
you were having it
yo yabo ngo98 effect cuz ngo98 because ngo97 I think ngangiqala ukugqoka i-throwback nganginezwe omunye umjeti angaze ngithole any ukuthi njani yabo
i-throwback bro
kwangayona yabo
you actually like did all of the nigga phases kahle
mnganami ngangaloka mnganami
baggy jeans
baggy jeans
Snoop Timberland
I Snoop ngishala le mpahla zayishawo uJahim
did you ever do the straight back
I relax so you never uhlale lokshin
no ngangirelax ekseni ngazi ntambama ngizoluka angaze ngiphume nje with direct ngifake mhlawumbe ngo2004 5 lapho ngayifaka kanye umngane omanqobo athi yabheda lento ikhip ngayikhip
bethi direct bethi out
I'm like futhi ngathi
especially lokshin usufake iduko
la yini but nginesithombe ngathatha skipper you know like because ekhaya kuyakhandwa yabo like ngikhule ngespanel yabo so khona sometimes ubaba uthi uzobuya neindwangu eziningi then uthole fresh enenduku ye napkin yabo kamnandi khona nje isithombe ngifake ungazi uyitshela ukuthi idurek ungazi uyitshela idurek
kodwa
sikhona isithombe ngakutshengisa sikhona nje mfethu amapendena khohlwayo bro amapendena kande ngezi baze bangibiza umshuquli ngendlela yangiwashintsha ngayo I had like mengizogqoka iskip esibomvu ngigqoka esibomvu semhlophe siyele grey njani like nje ngangithanda nje.
You've been dressing well. Okay, but you've been shouting at Durban rappers for years. Nizofika kanjani bayivesi ningcolile nifuna amantombazane.
Yeah, if you was no, that's me, Fetz. Yeah, Fetz. Ngangatshela ama rap ukuthi yeah. Nizosithethela kanjani amathekeni engcolile. Yiphi ithekeni ezozobuka umrap engcolile. Ngibizi la nirapper nodwa la khoma thekeni. Yeah, angifuna ukugoqa nalo. Angangwatshela ama JT. Ngizwa ama video, mengibona ivideo eya record ngisho leyo ngithi yeah, was going hard kanje kumajita no wonder shit yo ngizotshela amajita angafika duty ngitshela amajita kona amajita ngibiza ngenike duty mina alikhe nje alikhe nje lapho khunqa usikhotheni bethi nje bangigolozela kancha yabo lo nto yafethu.
So right now at the moment in terms of hip hop, like what's your contribution in terms of
manje mentorisha bro
mentoring artists?
This guy mentored quite a lot. Uzanda Zakuza was under his wing before she blew up.
Samba now.
I'm just like saying like you touched like a lot of lives. Like I'm just like saying that's one I just remember now.
But
it's crazy. Like why do you do it? Because I mean, I'm an artist. Why do you do it?
Hey, kama ngachazela njani silo. Angazi nami. Angifuni nje ngizingakho istory singekho. Angazi. Yabo. And ukuthi ngiyancanya le culture yabo. Kakhulu mfethu, angifuni ukugoqa ingo yabo nje kumina inkolo. Yeah, mfethu inkolo nje mfethu. Yeah, yabo. So ukubona umuntu ontswempu mfethu kule mpahla sengathi kwangamshiya yazi. Mekhona imoto ohamba ngayo, sathi nje noma ibhanowe ngokomthetho. Sathi ungamlift uthi kuse hambe lapha yana yabo like kubakhona abantu abangakusiza yabo naleyo nto nje mfethu like nje yeah in terms of okay artist even amajita lokushini yabo ngihlale nomuntu uza story sakhe ekuse umjita ubuye intweni yabo kanje kodwa uthothi ngihamba naye yabo ngiyamvala kubo yabo leyo and then lam 2 years later akutshela umuntu athi has bro mfethu kahle mina ngenza ukuthi yabo kuukuthi nje wena ngazi ungigoqe ngani yabo lo not just ama artists namayaka amajit you know you can akwazi ubathola bonke.
Yeah, me too.
No.
That Uber money is well appreciated, my brother. Shout out.
Yeah, but so anybody if around me in a prom, if it's spirit sick grand, yabo lo noma kuthuza ungigoqe at that time and then I found out later. I don't regret it, bro. You know, cause when was it, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, naleyo nto nje mfethu ukuthi kanjani. But yeah, mfethu yeah. So ama shows ngaqala ngo2003. Yeah, uqala nje ishow yenze ngayenza uqala 2001 and then 2002 I had to see ukuthi ngenzani. Yabo kwenzakalani kahle because at Clermont we had like DM meet yabo to run ulungisana nobhuti wakhe. So I had to see bona because you know back then we didn't have any gauge yokubona into enza is it right in yabo leon I right in leon so ngangifuna nje ukuthola umuntu ozoyibona hayo phakathi kwi hip hop ongaphandle you know lucky enough ngisho ukuthi by 2003 like you do a show I think
how did you know to pick somebody from outside the hip hop culture?
Easy bro is ukukhumbula ukuthi ngisekwena eClermont basivuma ngo98 so laba abanye abane style sabo meaning babethanda ikwaito amapantsula nje straight up dogs yabo lonto igebenze lokish yabo lonto you know they not part of it they don't know what's going on yabo lonto or sometimes ngangiya may rest in peace Mundla Mavundla yabo naye nganginoSiqwayi mfethu umshimani like baningi amajita angasekhaya angekho into hip hop but they were willing to support me yabo lonto ukuthi ekuse mawenza lento. So yeah, because I couldn't reach colleges outside of Clermont. So you had Upa B as a Queensbeck or Chelamajit. You had Osiaus, Pure Jackie, you had Okombesi, you know, you had Otubane, Umshimani, Gabala Baning. So all of those people that they call Ntababe Bonagmin. Because they will always say, Mowenza show, Stele vet. So I'm so chelam petabantu, ebolon. And then so buya na bantu. Then it later on, Anelo Wash, my brother.
Yeah. Shout out Wash.
Yeah, Wash, fits.
I bumped into him on Christmas Eve.
It's open.
I was 17. I was looking like guy.
That's my brother. We are now. Yeah, that's like my brother. It's just like my Uputwamje, but showcase 100%. So now, at some stage, because he will go to school at Hillcrest. I promote. There's one event.
Damn, promoting at Hillcrest.
Bruh,
Did the white people make
this
it
is
out?
This is before the internet.
This is before 2005.
I just want them to know.
Yeah, this is before 2005.
When people still had horses in Hillcrest.
Yeah. It was goddamn. So yeah, so anele ke first this one show engangayenza kanjalo abantu babengakafiki and then uanele decided thatha imali waye Pinetown Orlando abantu ama tax out
Yes.
Hillcrest.
Yes.
Hillcrest.
Yeah.
Well, Hillcrest. Hey, packed the Pinetown girls. Yes. I want you pay to clue food. Say, prom. That's before 2005. Yeah.
Yes.
That's before 2005. But if you show your color, like Lengi show you 2003, so it took shape there. 2001, it was packed because it works at scale. We didn't have a son. We just for assembly, we just made my band to back to the gymnasium. Bafie bazosbo. And so I close my cheat. Ingat so I close man. I try my phone my cheat. From my again, man. Because long family fever, they say Pinetown girls. Performing on my again. So I wanted to repeat that.
You're chasing something specific.
So yeah, say.
Is that why you don't drink or smoke?
No, no. I've tried it like in high school. No, the reason why I don't drink isn't that. It's just that the young is doesn't entertain that.
Xbox.
Whereas now, Michael Bay me keep peeling your sign. Whereas now, blacklist and we ain't and plus now he has been kando kanda. Kind of my transformer. So what is my transformer? So. It needs a clear head, Leon. Over so we can't machine move umhlaba. Yeah, but can't machine you got like. My 95 can't machine a move umhlaba. You can say what tell my reps not joylanga. More to should be so a castle banana. Where's it mean? I can't machine mean. Oh, kanda. I want you out, joylanga. Yeah, I'm rapper. Yeah.
But I can't machine.
Yeah, oh, should be so cast up on the
So you're doing this events thing on the side. Do you have a problem?
Ever since, yeah, I know. I want to go. Yeah, first. I want to go to the show where I did Ngang shows. Yeah, I was doing promotion one Keleza shows. Yeah.
So it's always been like a balancing for hip hop and real life.
And you been put it like that, yeah. But for me, in fact, it's always been one. One, because I'm like this, spanning.
Yeah, ne?
Jay, angshinchi first, angshinchi, you know, I'm too close to everybody in Asekai. Not just if female, even namachita outside, you know. So ngingathanda ukubadayisela isithombe strong ngami. Yabona. Hayi ngoba mhlambe kuyinto kancha nje mfethu angincane ukuthi umuntu ngimdayisela i-story strong. If yabo because I used to have the saying yokuthi if umrapper ngidisa ngemotweni ngolanda amateka amasha ngizwaqoka phambi kwakhe then ngithathe lawa mhlawumbe ngifuna ubhuti wakhe ohluphekayo or noma umuntu kubo wadinga ngiyowanika yena lo muntu hayi yena. I used to do that ngempela. Yeah. Like ngangibatshela lo no on a real umrap utheni kumina. Oh hayi lento ayishilo iweek vele but just for the sake ukuthi yabo yeah othi ngosifuna amateka amasha emotweni thatha amateka and then we'll go around and see mhlawumbe umngane wakho othize noma umuntu amazi uzombona kusasa uthi kusewuqhwela amateka kusasa khona uzohlala nalo mngane wakho umtsheti nelo mjide kuthuma Makukule yabo. I used to do that ngempela. So
Ushama emotional jabs.
Yeah.
O jabbing shange heart yabo iququ inhliziyo ngaphakathi. Ushaya inhliziyo nge-uppercut bro.
now
In your life.
That's in your life, bruh.
yeah, like yeah, if it's young, bengathanda ukudayisela like even namanje ngithanda ukudayisela nginabashana mfethu abaningi abama fans bo champ yabo like go hard.
Shout out champ in the building.
Yeah, so like nginabashana abathanda so ngeke ngathanda ukubadayisela istory wrong because oma wabo bazobuya beze kumina ukuthi Ayanda kwenzakalani yabo why umshana wami enamathathu umzimba wonke awunawo wena yabo lonto why umshana wami kanje yabo yonke lonto kanjalo so angithandanga from the start mjeti ukuthi lo ngidayisela abantu isithombe wrong mina yabo yeah.
So when I just want to touch a bit on the mentorship. Really.
Sure.
So what advice and processes do you give to artists who really have a desire to make a living out of hip hop?
Ngiye ngimtshela umuntu ukuthi njobuza kumina uzokhuluma ngokuthi wena ufuna ukungena e-studio urecord in umuntu akuchazele leyo nto athi ufuna ukwenza mixtape noma i-EP yabo ngithi mina okay sure ahe mhlawumbe silalela ama tracks awu2 yabo lona. What normally happen is ngiyengithola enye track iphambana pram wena ungitshela ki uhlala kini nabazali bakho athi umuntu ngimina lengoma pose we keep up athi umuntu angizoyikhipha ngithi so kini bazongeke bayazi uzoyishintsha igama ngithi yeah bro can you please try because akithi kini bakufundisa right now that's the industry okuyona kini because kini they pay for uthi esikoleni the industry on its own le then ufuna ukumatcha le industry le one passion yayo nale nyuku le save abazali bakho ukuthi ukeleze so they gonna ngeke zihlangane khona la izohlukana khona so you gotta finish one yabo leyo so abanye bangitshela hayi fethe cover badlala kancane well angiphindi ngikhulume nalowo mfana mina I say bro I'm not the right guy for that yabo so umuntu ngimtshela from the start ukuthi if kin they already paid for you to have us can you please finish alone or else get the marks are right because you know njengisho ukuthi angithanda ukudayisela ipage wrong. You may hear a rapper say he grew up from the streets, estates. Ngikhuluma ngawe mina. Yabo leyo. So you know you being harsh. I mean, oh okay. Now I'm wanting be harsh kuwena. Here ukukhuluma nami bro wami ukuze kube clear because angifuni la wenze lezinto and then you find out the truth about hip hop and then it's not as easy as they tell you ukuthi kuzoba easy.
It's not easy. Man.
Yeah, and then you come back kuba mean
and blame you.
Ayanda wangitshela ukuthi mengenza ukuthi I don't play like that. I just go by abazali bro. I always tell rap ukuthi say if ukini usahlala kini ufundiswa kini wenza kanjani scale I am doing well. Okay, let's go then. I'll help you la. Once you get some big breaks, cut the snide, we'll put you in the studio, you know. Yeah. I just it's easy, yeah.
Okay, man. So what the ideal candidate? So nobody you don't want to rob somebody of the opportunity.
No.
But this scale.
Yeah, fair.
Okay.
And it's crazy. Like, how do you feel about kids not seeing that? Because I'm sure it's something you come across in jail. Like,
yeah. No, yabo sengifunde manje ukuthi okay sure because yabo intwana zamanje izona ezikutshelayo ukuthi ekuse yabo mina school is not meant for me.
Sure.
Yabo lo kanje kutshela iparagraph engake enamagama amanye engihlule kwawo wachaza bengithi azuqinisile bro wami go back to school. Yabo ukuze singaloku siphikisana mfethu angincane ukuphikisana lezi intwana.
Sure.
Yabo that's why ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi can you please come to me with yonke into yakhe isi in order.
Yeah,
because angifuni ukuphikisana nawo like lezi intwana because you know ukuya intwanini uthi uyoyi advisor zibe zingafuni ukuadvisor we all been kids here mongafuni ukuadvisor ufuni that's it yabo leyo so ngiyengigweme lokho fethu angifuni nje ukudlala ngawo ngiyigweme like intwana yokugcina engikhulume nawo lokho ntwana nje ngagcina ukukhuluma na and wangilalela from the day hlangana naye until today yabo leyo yeah yona ntwana nje ngigcina ukuringa naye outside ngombe kukhumbula
everything that go look if it's like
sure
phuma kanja
yeah so and then from there okay cool so vele priorities straight.
Sure.
Get your education in order. Don't play with your parents' money.
Sure, first.
Sure. And then when everything else is in balance from there.
Sure.
So what's your process
Oh, I
going forward?
Bram. Let's just hear your music.
Yeah.
How good are you first? Before say we image how you look.
Yeah.
How you-
So what you deal with the whole process, well?
Bro, I'm not my
Studios, your music good enough?
Bro, I'm not my
Image.
outfits, boy. Smash. Yeah.
So it's almost like you're a label, but you're not a label.
Yeah. Hlezi ngisho ukuthi angisoze ngayivula.
Yeah.
Yeah, because ngiyosayina n-R&B sing ukushayela kuphela. Ukushayela kuphela ukushayela. Hlezi ngitshela ukushayela kuphela.
Uyaphela phela basusayine R&B singer.
Eh?
Kuyaphela phela
Akuphela ukushayela mfethu.
Lalela.
Awusho le ngoma le.
Bese-
Khela yabani ngihamba wema. Yabeyahamba mfethu umjida washona
Wow, vele ubuzobhimba.
Yabeyahamba mfethu. Yo ngoma yanini mfethu. Yo yeah, but akuphela ukushayela.
Akupheli
Yeah, I don't have a label. I will never have a label.
Yeah.
But I will continue mentoring people because even though look, I told him with say, "Joas kulum, but I'm not signing you. I'm just being a big brother." Pen.
Yeah.
I'm
That's actually quite beautiful. You know,
I'm at the money back then. They thought about my managers,
Yeah.
but I just wanted to be a big brother. Pen. Like yeah, even today, I'm
Thank you, King of KZN.
I'm finding this society, nothing fit. I'm finding umuntu because we have to see of it. Labachita, they have this thing ukuthi umuntu nokuthi asho ukuthi ngidlulela ipassage bekino ayanda ngitshela itoilet engaka left and angempela ngalifica. Yebo leyo. Yeah. Mase kufanele ngatshela istory athi angifike la Ayanda kanti ngamthola evala umnyango wasetoilet ngamthetha asuke ngangena. They always flip the script. So yeah.
I get the gatekeeper, Joe.
No.
We have the gatekeeper, Joe.
Angazi ngikwazi lokho.
Does Durban have gatekeepers for hip hop though?
Where lo magama njalo awafiki mina. Wabuza
No, but I'm
uSilo.
asking.
Oh,
It doesn't have to necessarily be you. But
I
does it have
I
gatekeepers?
don't know. Wabuza uSilo. I mean ngiyazi leyo language.
So you've done events, you're a rapper, and then you did radio.
Hey yeah, friends. Of course. Shout out to Zand.
The biggest radio station in the country.
Cause the FM.
the second in the world.
Second in the world.
Yeah,
Sorry, what
number
am I saying?
friends. Yeah, number.
How was that experience?
Yo. Shout out to Ulep, friends.
Shout out DJ Lab.
Yeah, DJ Lab. Uyena, Uzanda was yeah, and then they something, and then I got a call, and then Sana Nalusis. Ngitshela ukuthi okay Scali show so we show who calls yeah fine ngibuza umuntu so yeah sure cool yeah shout out to Speaky Ranjalo to Msani Makhanya
Showcase.
yeah we know washo before it happened
Yeah.
washo nje before it happened what I say when uzoya ku show eRedweni angimazi why duze wena umngane wami but yeah it happened so 3 years bro umuntu lapha wina ne-award
Hey, shout out.
ala nokuqala mfethu ungena like
Yeah.
we had a show kamnandi it was more of what I was doing kulama shows but now it was my own air I didn't have to promote nothing
The only
mfethu.
difference is the audience is bigger.
bro
Yeah,
and I don't have to promote nothing mfethu.
How was that shift to like
Sure.
a million
plus.
Million plus. How was that shift to a million plus?
angifuna ukugoqa bekwakuntswempu ngalendlela ukuthi ngikubone njengoba sengingasekho
Yeah.
ngikubone njengoba
yeah,
sengingasekho
sure.
because ngangise-Fryhead ngifaka diesel
Yeah.
and lo mjito lokethe bra wami hey mfethu yazi ngilandela omunye umjito ku Facebook warawara in osebenza okhosini arawara ngithi nunjani athi hayi unehwanqa njengawo I was like really ungitshengisa like yeah yabo ngibone nje sengiphumile ukuthi the impact yakhona but what I was working I didn't know yonke le nto ukuthi
But that's how it works.
big
Yeah, that's how it-
mangifuna ukugoqa I didn't know
When you're in it, you don't realize the amount of history you're painting.
sure njengawo shows yabo kwenza ama shows so but njengawo shows I didn't know mina ukuthi mfethu ngokwenza ama shows you can actually have somebody ongathatha your thing athe yakhe I didn't know that yeah I was busy working piling up work making sure ukuthi khona enye show emba kwenye yabo i-right post i-right yabo leyo
Making sure the momentum is
Faith,
there.
grand. Then later on, you find out ukuthi half lezi zinto zenzela kuzona ezakho. You were not kuzona ezakho. Yeah. Ama shows claim when.
So somebody was trying to jack your name.
Do you understand like utshela mina I didn't know all of that. I didn't like hip hop ngazi creative man. But you have to be creative. So I didn't know all of those things. I didn't know which ngokwenza ama shows you can have rapper exondela ukuthi wena umkhokhisa 10 rand at the gates a performing abantu aba more than 500. Rapper abe nenkinga nawe nalo.
Still to this day the price ain't changed. Right?
Ain't changed my guy. See about 5 rand foot.
Yeah, no.
Best quality sound fethu crowd amathekeni fethu angapha nangapha khona efuna ukubingelela hayi lama sci-fi abagcwala amajit.
Yeah.
Yebo lona ama shows engwazi you can check any picture will always be more females than amajit. Yebo lona no on a real you can check
any picture.
Search the hashtag.
Any picture fethu hambo bheka so I didn't know zonke lezo things. I was busy just doing gigs. I didn't know. Yeah, but guys.
Like I remember the first time going to like one of the events. I think it was the Omar's.
Sure. Yeah, it's a Civic
the original Material Awards they called it.
It's a Civic Cent.
No, I didn't do those earlier.
Oh, you didn't
ones.
do it.
I think it was the Playhouse, the first one at night.
Oh yeah. 2011.
I was still living in Cape Town, so I flew all the way out. I was nominated for an award.
Sure.
Shout out to nomination.
Sure.
But I should have won though.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Hey, you had that thing, John.
So I came out, I flew out and everything. It was just like to see. I was in my way back to the city, but I didn't know that at the time. So yeah, it was like, whoa, there's this actual thing that happens in Durban because I wasn't a Durbanite, I was a Cape Townian.
Cool. Yeah.
I was like, so I was like, oh, this is cool, yeah. And a year later, I was editing the next Material Awards, and I'm like looking, with it, wow. This literally is, I was watching the footage from the previous thing. It's wow, this literally is like the whole of Durban. It was the whole scene. Like I'd met the whole scene on one night. So throughout the year, I was just, hey. When I got back in the city. So that's how impactful those like shows were with the whole culture was in one place. Like if you were to bomb an original Material Award. But it's
destroy the entertainment.
HCL,
nothing. Even Aeon Wolf, Double TF, Dream Team, yo.
And that was before some of those names were big.
Yeah. And I'm almost mfethu time elatha ngwenza. And then we uyibuza kanja time brown. That's the honest truth. Time sasibuka ama BET. Avela tekse. Yazi nawe ngayenza lena. Ngayenza it's 8 time ngeke. Go 2007.
Yeah.
It's like ngayenza now. I was like, man, what ngayenza? So wenzile nje la my shows. Ngayenza now. Then I like to take time. When I took time, I'm ngaye ePrimo ukudayisa ama DVD nama-disc overseas at that time. I bought ama-Source Awards, BET Awards, and I sat down the whole year ngibukana nama-awards. Even ama-Oscar, anything that had to do with local.
You weren't watching awards before then?
No,
I wasn't watching them.
What?
That's crazy. Performance
dude, how many awards do you actually watch?
I've
only watched awards because I'm like, oh, one of my favorite comedians is hosting it. Then I'll watch it. Other than that, it's like I'll read the results.
I watched every single VMA from 1999 till about 2010.
Mina ngibuka ispeech se-comedian mes hoster. One, ngibuke ne-performance. Ngibuke mekuhlampa uJay-Z uzothatha i-award mekuthi Outcast whatever labantu engibathanda kuphela but ukubuka like the whole thing no ngaqala
I watched a lot of award shows. I won't lie. I watched Grammys. I got favorite Grammy performances.
Wabuka ama-Bollywood awards.
I haven't watched the Bollywood.
I watched it, bro.
The what awards?
Bollywood.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, see. You got all the awards now.
Awabuka, bro. I'm like, ngazi ngabuka bemimika uMichael
What's all up if it's about Bollywood awards?
Huh?
What's all up? Where did you find? Did you YouTube them?
No, I'm mhlawumbe ngakabunana ne-laptop fethu lapho. Professor Dube fet, Cape Town's Kuluma, baby.
He got the plug.
Everything. He got me watching on Miss World, fet. Yeah. Lo amount lo yanu. Yeah, no, uncle, I'm doing fucking thing. He had time. Or still mosaic. Young king. Oh, you wanna do this? Yeah, fet. Yeah. So I had to. Like, even Nick Kama original material awards. I'm a Omers. Yeah, I'm gonna Popo used to call me the Omer. As like original Makukule Ayanda. Yeah, and then we switch it from there with our original material awards.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
So when you get into something, you go hard in terms of the research.
Yeah, bro. Because I think it's a story strong.
Yeah.
Young thing into even the MOT.
I respect that though.
Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, even with the MOT. Yeah. MOT,
so MOT is moment.
Moment of truth.
That's what I was just trying to ask.
Yeah, moment of truth. If it's like more rap, more pet, but big poor. Pull stage. Crazy. That's how
brutal.
Yeah. That's how most of my rap, my ningi, got, which I say, I can take over the world or something. From like,
yeah.
I think I've got a video of it. I'll post it on the website. I'll post like a little another shit. Check it out.
Yeah, like more rap better, like big push straight. And yeah, I'm the reason of that. Yeah, because I wanted like I'm a cheat. I've been so
yeah.
It's like what, 5,000 kids now.
Yep.
At the peak.
Yep.
Like you get on.
Yeah.
Like they'll be like you do like a sign up show.
Sure.
And then like a month later the show is on.
The show is
Moments
on.
of truth.
No VIP.
No VIP.
I hate VIP fed from 2004, 5. I hate VIP section.
No VIP.
No
VIP. Yeah, I hated VIP fed. I hate it. Yeah, but angihlezi nesithombe sokupictureisha ngiyofika ngolandiwa shelibiza umjito ohlezi VIP it's brown ucela washlami. Ahlezi naleyo nto ngingahlipniza umjito brown. Yeah. I hated VIP.
So 5,000 kids, you come on, like, the still dancing was still popular also. So you're dancing, you're singing, or you're rapping.
Sure.
And then, some people's careers died at Moment of Truth.
Yeah.
I still say this, bro.
I know.
Careers died.
I don't think bumping on stage should be the indicator of whether or not you can build a career. I think... No, like, okay, cool.
Yeah,
so
man.
I compare it to the fact that when I used to do stand-up comedy, my goal was to be on stage as often as possible.
Yeah.
Because, like, the reality is you will go on stage and you're a bomb. But if you're going to let that define you, then, like, any career you have on stage is going to kill you.
At that show, yeah, but we're shaking the dirt. It's, you wanted to be famous. This is part of the experience.
Sure.
So if you can't handle it there, you deserve to end your career.
Yeah, but I guess. But it's a choice, though. Because, like,
It
for me,
is a choice.
If that kind of experience was available when I was younger, I was like, okay, I was going to say, let me jump on stage and come back next week, regardless of what the outcome is today. And come back next week and next week until I master this crowd. And sometimes mastering this crowd and then you go there,
yeah.
where there's just white people and then you die. And it's like, you're like, yo, this doesn't work with the white people.
Yeah.
And you learn to adapt and so on.
Yeah.
So
this is why you're an award-winning black man, my friend. Yeah, someone about to apply in Jalo. And Siabong.
Yeah, bro. I just hope you guys got everything right because I'm funny story after this.
But it's unedited.
it is
No.
what it
I'm
is.
just saying, which I just hope nibuze yonke because even that pavilion show.
No, it's not what-
That pavilion show.
Yeah.
2007.
Lengenziwanga
Lengenziwanga imini.
Yeah.
2007.
Yeah.
It's a pavilion. That show, Leo.
Yeah.
Leo show nje Leo, yeah, face. Fiber be clear. Yeah, but I always shout out to Nana.
Yeah.
Ubachem Charlotte. Sharon, Nana Sharon Toos. Bro,
Yeah.
she uyena muntu fethu owangitshela ukuthi there's a kune industry abantu abakrampayo break dancing because that movie was out. That movie You Got
Rise.
Saved.
You Got
Saved.
Yeah, it was out. So everybody was doing that dance, but there was beef between Durban and Pinetown, which was or performance wimp.
Yeah.
So they needed a platform.
Yeah.
It started flap in 2006.
So she saw it.
She saw it. She came to me after the show. Couldn't show signs of Pinetown Girls.
Yeah.
Yeah. After Smooth said performing in 2006, we did a show at Pinetown Girls. Yeah, bro. And it was my first time when I went about 1,000 plus. Or
In one
2006.
space.
Yeah, just because of hip hop. So then when we met, Wang Jay would say, there's a room, Bani abantu abadansa, but just at the platform abanayo.
Yeah.
And then from lapho, I had direct hand because I didn't know what to call my until I watched You Got Served. I was like, oh, cool man. Then I went back to her. Then she told me, no, you can't. So I took hip hop, Leama rap, and I was like, we're gonna fuse it together.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm first.
I guess for me, the saddest thing about that specific era, like everything before 2012 or 13 even, is the fact that the internet didn't exist.
Yeah, bro.
Because like there was so much happening for hip hop. Like you had Masters of Rhythm, which was strictly all about.
Because in the Pet Center we had the jump off. After like shows, MOTC con, Hydro and them came up with the jump off, which was like dope, like a compliment.
Like so much,
bro, so much, bro.
It's like now the amount of stuff that's happening for hip hop, like basically hip hop is quiet compared to what it was back then. But it's like now we have the tools to market it, but there's nothing happening. Like it's nice, people are eating.
Right now. I'm happy that we're born alone because I make to meaning shit. They always want to say, hey.
But when I we hate man.
Bro, he had battle cats that would travel everywhere.
Spotlight nigga.
Angithanda ukuchoma but ngiyengiwatshela ama rap ngawatshela gezani ibalekile aqala amajita ageza aqala aqoka kahle ama shows agcwala amajita athatheka serious
champ bajima kanje mfethu
angikwazi ukujima ngawatshela ama rap ukuthi ma rap iyekeni lento ukuthi makuperform omunye umuntu in busy lokho enikhuluma into engazazi miyekeni bakuyeka lokho ama shows aqala agcwala. There's a lot of things in my age. That's why I'm saying best of both worlds because I got some shows before the internet
and after
the internet, bro.
Yeah.
Without the internet.
So the game has changed a lot, though.
Yeah, without the internet, before whatever, with low line, Lord.
Yeah. But you're still doing events right now.
What is
it's hard. It's some cool shit.
What is
MME? Yeah, in company MME, which stands for Makukule's Miracle Event.
Okay, cool. And where can people see your gigs, man?
Yeah, Makukule's Miracle Event.
So for people who are new to Durban and want to come and experience hip hop, where should they go? Where can they find this information?
Media social, but search for Ayanda Makukule or no Wash Makukule, no ma Uzi, Yolanda Makukule or no my PFG. Born Free Rhythms group or no Musandile Madlala. Bonke low band labo bazo direct to okay what's happening because right now I'm working on a project EP like CEO Clermont everywhere out there.
Okay, cool.
Influence
so what, you're getting a bunch of artists to work with you, or is this your own?
It's my own.
I will visit. What is the CEO meetings? First meeting. Then I'm having the second meeting next week Sunday, class 16.
Okay,
so
cool.
I just switched.
Where's it gonna be?
Home.
You must send me the posters so I can put them up on this website.
I will. It's an EP CEO. You know, CEO have my meetings. I get. I just see you my meetings.
Yeah. Not a lot of work, just anymore. A lot of talking. Huh? Not a lot of work, just a lot of talking.
I do. So now I changed that. I was like, no, it's gonna be meetings. Until I'm 5 and then I release. I'm gonna just keep on doing them. But I still do shows like Hip Hop Ngasekai, which gave Whitney as my MCs a platform. Without the Hip Hop Ngasekai, I have a co-MOT, Omazi, something to talk about, Gwinya on tour.
Oh shit!
You forget that.
We got the Gwinya on top pilot.
Gwinya on top,
what's okay? Educator brother.
We're supposed to go on tour and find the best Gwinya in KZN.
And we did it. It was dope. Shout out to T-Pack, Shout out to T-Pack, no Silo, You know, they took me seriously. Almost a presenter, they took back saying, "Oh, Shay Gwinya on tour." So you had to explain, they're like, no, it's on. You should see like every time one cousin took Silo, Ausabi. Yeah, Ausabi should say it might be awkward, but no. it's on, especially when no sit back, because sassy shots about 2, it's about 3, John. When you're on top, we went around and we on them last.
We need to have a show with T-Bag as well.
Yeah, but that's a young old OG fit. That's a young old OG fit.
Yeah, so he's like T-Bag's man, so like he's T-Bag's older brother.
Yeah, because basically you German, like Clermont. So basically I go so land them up beat. And at 12.
Shout out to
So
Bag.
is your music available online?
Yeah, I'm
Spotify.
ngiyayitshela ngomusic kwami. Ngiyayitshela ngifuna nawo ngishayisa kwamaskanda kanje mfethu. Ngudayisa kumina. Mongawuthola kumina ukuthola angifuni nje nawo.
So you don't want it out there, just floating around?
Yeah, angifuni. Ukhona ivideo ayishutha ayigaji ukhona nemoja izona kuphela.
Like TV efike kufonela ukuthi phela le video bethi it's web.
Yeah, but good say sharp. It's umnganoma ocishe waterfall, so I was hurt.
I broke a camera. I was telling you earlier. I broke a camera.
Yeah, so manje njalo manje ngithi ekuse. Le video intswempo kanje kanti because basanda ukudlala imo. Uzothwala ama tracks so2. Lawa amanye mfethu hey, ngeke awami. Angifuna uphethe awami ayitshela nje mfethu ngawo.
But what if we have listeners who are far?
No, I'm only kidding. But lengizoyiphuma, lezophuma.
So this one is coming out Spotify, YouTube,
izophuma mfethu kumakokole ngilinde ngizokunika. Yabo leyo nto. Yeah, mfethu izophuma kumakokole ngilinde ngizokunika.net.
Ngilinde ngizokunika.
We commit then man. Vaya zonke lezi zinto we catch up before ihlala.
I feel like he's taking shots at me now.
Shage Jeff.
Yabona yasho ke ukuthi uphila nama rap. Njalo hlezi ngibona amanje taking shots. Njalo.
What about Shade? Have you seen Shade?
Awucabanga uzofika uzovala ithekeni yakho. Uma wakhona uthi I see you with them dreadlocks kanje. That's a shot.
It depends on the context, of course.
Yabona ke izakusuya kude kanjani. Uma wakhona bedlala.
Usesebenzisa manje. Usesebenzisa
This is
mina ke lokho
yo.
ama argument. Yeah, that's why ngisheshe udideka. Buka nje mfethu, buka uTrey from Dream Team. After le show yasePavilion I was saying ukuthi ngeke ngisayenze enye show kanje wathi abantu bazothi uyifluke yeah mina ngayitshethwa ngithuka bro wami excel like true story ngayitshethwa ngithuka angifuna ukugoqa I went back to the hood like excel noma umjito othenga ifluke Popo was like come here mfethu athi ifluke mfethu uyasho ukuthi abantu bazothi kanje we one hit ban I'm like oh that's how the moment of truth came about cabanga. That's why I always shout Dream Ulo Trey out, like, shout out to Trey. Yeah,
clarity.
So it's ngisi mfethu, yeah, seeing King at the same time it's like inspired. Yeah, because buke nje ngisanda ukufunda igama elithi meningitis bengawazi ukulisho. So sengilisho njalo. Yabona amagama la. O contagion. Say bona.
We pet coronavirus.
No, ngizwile bebethi Ethiopia nami.
Yeah,
I thought like spanning
meeting.
Yeah, they told us the safety meeting, the coronavirus. Like we had it again. Cause very cool. Yeah, cause you know how much it after selection. Yonke into afuna ukuyi. Yabo like ngikhumbula kufuka iBudweiser.
Sure.
Yabo nje yeah. Angazi emalokishini bekuthiwa yini, lab nice akuthini. Yeah, ilam. Huh? Phela mfethu yazi now ayikaba mfethu kumanje yabo sometimes kwenze uthothi khona usisokhuluma naye yabo you always find the angle yokusenza le gama elisho yeah yabo nje yini contagious yeah I had to find a way yokusho ukuthi no siswami ngine influence I'm very contagious so like ngindlela sisangibuka ngayo
Tava this long
yeah like
usha umseko ngesingisi
yeah umenga so yeah umenga fethu menga thank you
I remember when I first met you like that was one of the things that used to crack me up because ngikhuluma isingisi mina most of the time
sure
so lo mjida bese imali onukuthini leqedukile. And for the longest time, I get yeah. Serious,
yeah.
He's got like the straightest face. He's about to fight you.
No, it just got very face. You think you should angithanda ukudayisela abantu into engayazi lento. So even now mokhuluma ngiyama mina. Wena ukhuluma uqeda ngibuye bro khona igama olishilo liyangichaza. It sounds very good Molish, but kumina ku blank la. And then uqala ukuchaza uqiniselisile abantu abaningi when you take the image yomuntu like uyineke supposed to know English Even now, it's not English, it's slang, I get. So, angisazi mina ukuthi ngiyasifunda as I go.
Yeah.
Nje ivadle of it as I go. So, when I met him kanjalo ubuye Cape Town uhamba nenye out efana no Drake. Basaba ukuyibiza ngo Drake. Sasibiza ngo Drake yazibaseleka mfethu. Kancane Drake suka la. Wasaba uDrake on the day like uDrake. Uma ufinally zayibuka emnyama yabo azoshayela. Yabo. Obaba namtshela. Ngiyakhumbula ufike naye lapha that's why like I spend time now in kahle cuz
shout out Juke. I thought it's almost do. Shout out Juke.
Yeah?
So cool.
Yeah, mfethu. So elomthi ngiyathi ukuthi mfethu uphama nje lo Drake. Uyabona. Yabona izibuko ngiyasho ukuthi I'm softest ban in. But his music is dope.
Shout out.
Yeah, you told me to listen to his. I wasn't taking shots at him. Ngangimbuza ngesibuko.
Sure.
Udrake ngangamazi that time ukuthi unjani as in like rap onjani ngangibona image
yakhe befana futhi
singers yellow bone
that's why no send futhi mengihamba naye ngihlezi ngithi bro mase perform eClermont uzongena ekugcineni igebe ngisayisukile because angifuni ukuperform ukukekeza la kuthiwa Ayanda ubalo uzusiqedela intombi la yebo yonke leyo nto abafana mama yellow bhanga wasibaza umnandi bahwayela
futhi ngikhumbula ngisafika futhi we were walking at Clermont and I was wearing my Cape Town shorts pants.
Oh my God.
Came up just above the t-shirts, It's Ayanda, uzoqhatha negebe. It's Ayanda, sin sasihamba kodwa uzoqhatha negebe.
But anyway, it's fun. Yo, thank you guys for having me, Buffet.
Thank you for pulling
Thank
through.
you for pulling through.
Twempu. And then again, like, Kubegan Buffet.
I was a boy.
Like, Kubegan. Very now I have my own podcast. If I can
it was a surprise, but you've leaked
surprise.
It. Yeah, you've leaked
it.
Yes, I
want. But Buffet Kubegan.
Showcase Black House Talk.
Black House Talk. That's what up.
Yeah, we're available on deeplyrooted.co.za/RadioDR or radiodr.co.za. Deeply Rooted DBN everywhere on the socials.
Mina.
Wena uba.
Men uzongithola men.
Umgaqweni.
Facebook.
Umgaqweni Facebook.
We Cream Easter. We thitha ngilandeleka but ungangilandela. Check me swala siya. Yeah, so sembili so ngasilandela.
Black House Talk.
Black House
Talk, man. Yo, much of it.